Welcome to the NIU Dance Scholarship Video Application Tutorial. My name is Professor Rich Grunt. I teach dance at NIU. We put together this video for you to follow to build your own dance video application. Please wear full dance attire when producing your video, and be sure to shoot your whole body image so that we can see you dancing. Your video needs to be comprised of 4 parts. First, please state your name clearly and where you're from at the beginning of your video. Second, Professor Judy Chitwood has demonstrated ballet combinations for you to follow with the music on your video. Thirdly, Professor Mark Macarenis has demonstrated modern dance combinations for you to demonstrate on your video. Fourth and final, include your own dance solo in the video. This can be of any genre. We want to see you dancing your best stuff. When your video is complete, upload it into your own YouTube or Vimeo account. Go to our NIU webpage, Accepting Dance Scholarship Applications, complete the application, and paste that link to your video in our application page so that we can watch you dancing. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Very good luck, and we look forward to meeting you.
Hi, I'm Judy Chitwood. I'm coordinator of the dance program. We will demonstrate 3 combinations that we would like for you to submit for the ballet portion of your scholarship audition. Please enjoy yourself, and thank you for considering NIU for your future. Our first ballet combination will be pliés, and we'll do a demi-plié 1 and 2, first port de bras 3 and 4, grand plié 5 and 6 and 7. And 8, port de bras forward 1 and 2, come up 3 and 4, to the back, and 6, come up 7, into second, demi-plié 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, grand plié, and 6 and 7 and 8, to the bar 1 and 2, up 3, and 4 and away 5 and 6 and 7, into fifth, same thing, 1, demi and stretch, grand plié, and 6 and 7 and 8, plié, sous, find your balance, and plié, finish, and stay. The second combination will be tendus, preparation 7 and 8. Tendu front, plié, tendu front, plié, and in, and 2, and plié, and stretch. Side 1, plié, and out, plié, and 1, 2, and plié. Stretch to the back, 1, plié, and out, plié, and in, and plié. Stretch, tendu side, plié, releve coup de pied, find your balance, close sous-sus, plie, and finish. Our third combination, fondus and rond de jambes. And fondue 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. Passe front and side. 2 slow, 1 rond de jambe back and front to the back. Brush front, passe, plie arabesque, close 5th, fondue to the back, fondue to the side, fondue to the front, passe back to the side, and back, front, and back. Rond de jambe front, plie, passe, développé, close 5th, forward bend 1, 2, come up 3, 4, back 5, 6, 7, and 8. Plie, releve, passe. Find your balance, sous-sus, and finish. Hold.
Hello, I'm Mark Macaranis. I'm an assistant professor in the School of Theater and Dance at NIU. I'm going to be leading you through 3 modern dance combinations. Enjoy, relax, and have fun. For our modern combination, we're starting with a cross ball change. Starting with the right foot, we're crossing over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, we're going to step pivot and step around. 7, around 8. We're going to take another step. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll shift into the floor. 5, 6, 7. Same thing on the left. Starting with the left foot, cross, ball, change, cross, ball, change. Pivot, step, step, pivot, step, and cross, ball, change. That's part 1. Part 2, we're going to add a reach and poke. So we're going to reach the right arm across with the same leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, we're going to leave the fingertips where they are. Leave the fingertips where they are, and cross, ball, change. Same thing with the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pivot, step, and poke, and up. Part 3, we're going to keep the footwork the same. This time we're going to round the spine and round the arm. So we're rounding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our pivot step now, we're going to swipe the right arm across. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to round the spine. 5, 6, come up 7, 8. Same thing on the left side. Under, over, and reach, swipe, and under and over. Now, part 4, we're going to reverse the pathway of the arms. So we're going to reach, now the fingers lead. Reach, fingers lead. From here, we're going to scoop up and over, and reach, fingers lead. Same thing left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach, and finish by suspending on 8. All right, so our next combination starts like this. Starting in parallel, we're going to start with the right foot. We're going to rotate out, then we're going to leave the ball of the foot where it is, and then rotate in on it. From here, we're going to shift and fall onto that foot. From here, I'm going to go cut, ball, change. Now, one more time. So I'm going 1, 2, fall, 3, cut, 4, 5, 6. From here, my left knee is going to cut across my body, do a little hop, 7, 8. From here, my right foot pulls behind me, 1, 2. My left arm and left leg take a big swipe, 3, 4, down on 5, 6, up 7. We're going to go into our cross ball change here. Crossing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From here, we're going to scoop that right arm around and turn. 7, 8. We're in a rounded position in a parallel passe. From here, 2 little undercurves and a cut. Undercurve, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step together, 7 and 8. Okay, so for our third and final combination, we're going to do some prances and ponies. So starting with our right foot, we're going to prance 1, 2, pony 3, and 4. Same thing, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, we're going to step onto the right foot as we toss the left arm over, over curve 1, 2, under curve 3, and 4. Now we're going to open the right arm, 5, close 6, 7, clap, clap. And you're doing a little ball change there. I'll show that one last time. We're going 1, 2 and a 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Toss over and under. We'll open, we'll close, clap, clap. Same thing left. 2 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Toss over and under. We open, we close, we step, clap, clap. From here, we're going to do both arms under curve. Under curve 1 and 3. We'll go right into our turn. 5, 6, 7. Clap, clap. Same thing left. Open, close, step, clap, clap. From here, this right leg that's up does a scoop. So we're scooping 1, 2, 3, 4. Scoop it 5, 6, 7, 8. Third one, we scoop 1, 2. We're going to step back 3, rock front 4. Now here's an inversion. 5, switch leg 6, come up 7 and 8. And you're ready for the second side.